Hi! Let's draw some fruits. It's coloring time. Red, green, brown, glittering time. Put the gum, spread it, put the glitter around the gum. Let's blow. Apple. Wow! It's looking amazing!
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. One
It's
for
coloring
the
time.
master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Yellow,
Baba, white sheep, have you any wool?
green,
Yes, sir, 3 needles full. One to mend a jumper,
brown,
one to mend a frock, and one for the little
mango,
bird with holes in her song.
glittering time. Put the gum, spread it, put the glitter around the gum.
Baba, gray sheep, have you any wool?
Let's blow.
Yes, sir, 3 bags
Wow!
full.
It's looking amazing!
For the mommy.
It's coloring time. Orange, green, brown, orange, glittering time. Put the gum, spread it, put the glitter around the gum. Let's blow. Wow! It's looking amazing! Hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon to get more videos. See you in next video. Bye!